Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily fix blurry text fonts in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, click on open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. So from here, please proceed to the left side of it and you can see a list of the option. Please locate with the option called System. And under the System tab, okay, you need to scroll down and locate for this option called About, which contains the device specifications as well as your Windows specifications. So from here, under the device specifications, there are related links that are being attached there. All you need to do is you need to proceed to the third of that, which is advanced system settings. The moment you click on it, you will be able to bring up a system properties window. You just have to go with performance and click on settings. And that way you would be able to see the performance options. So as you can see, all of the text here, okay, including on this window are being blurry. Okay, so in order to fix such problem, all you need to do is you need to ensure that this is checked. So smooth edges of screen font. So this is a very crucial setting or option. Just have to make sure it is being enabled. Click on apply and then OK. Once you're good, proceed to the settings once again and go with let Windows choose what best for my computer. The moment you've clicked on apply and then OK, when you check on it, you won't be able to see the blurry text fonts anymore. And when you click on advanced system settings, you won't be able to see the blurry anymore also. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.